Hi, SIFU Bob here, Reflex Flow Training. Today I'm going to coach you through a little self-defense, close-up, empty hand techniques. And what you're going to do is this person's going to come in with the left, right cross. So there's left jab, right cross, combination like that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to step just slightly over to my right with my right foot, lifting my left heel. So I'm back here. Boom, to check that jab, right? Step in, cover my ear, and point that elbow out. So hopefully he runs his right cross into this elbow, but even if he doesn't, he blocks it, covers up here. Put my thumb in his eye, chop, right? Chop to the neck, right? Grab on palm, and then hammer, 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 elbow. So go here, go to his eye, chop, chop, grab on, pop, pop, elbow. So 1, 2, pop to his eye, cover here, right? And this can actually chop to his neck, or it can actually jam that other hand. I can slap, cross, slap, hammer, hammer, hammer. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to step to the right, parry. So I took my chin in, his hands up here, parry that left, step in, pop his eye, like that, right? Jam that hand over to the side, slap, palm, slap, hammer, hammer, elbow. So again, pop, come in, pop to the eye, jam that hand, coming to the inside of his left hand, right? Slap, palm, slap, and grab the back of his head, boom, 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 and elbow. So 1, 2, 3, pop, pow, 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 bam, 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 and in. So 1, come in, pop the eye, jam the hand, slap, palm, grab the back of his head, boom, boom, boom. Stop over to the side here, come in, see him covering here, pop his eye, jam his hand, slap, palm to his face, slap the back of his head, grab it, boom, 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 elbow. You can always boom, just boom, right? Boom, 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 right? Whop, bop, bop, bop. And elbow. So pop here, come in, go to his eye with your thumb, chop to his neck, or jam his right hand here, covering up here. Slap across his face, palm strike to his nose, slap to the back of his head, grab it on, hammer fist, elbow. Then I can latch on to his arm here, and if it's a deadly situation or someone else coming at you, you can pull your weapon and use that if it's a life and death situation and you need to. Otherwise, obviously you don't want to use a weapon if you don't have to. Okay, that's it. Thank you.